Olive Drummond, and this is my little sister Mary, and we're at the Fort Worth Kennel Club Dog Show at the Will Rogers Coliseum. And right now, we are in the small dog area and taking a look around. What we are looking at right now are some Kerry Blue Terriers, like those two over there, and over there are American Staffordshire Terriers. What you are also looking at right now are Cairn Terriers, and these dogs are known as Toto in The Wizard of Oz.
And plus, they're so cute. Happy orange.
What we are looking at right now in the small dog group are some Papillons. You might think...
Are they awarding the winners right now?
I think that they are. You might think that these dogs are Chihuahuas, but they're really not. Because the difference is that they have really long hair, and especially their hair droops from the ears.
Kind of like this one right here?
Nicknamed the Buttercup. Here's one of them.
They have long ear here. Look at that. One right there, see?
Yep. But just remember, small dogs are not for younger children because they can nip, snap, and bite.
Even though they're so cute.
What?
And we'll be back with you with more dogs soon.
Okay, tell me what are we seeing here? What are these guys?
This is the Shih Tzu right here.
And there's that one over there too?
Yep, that's the Shih Tzu.
No, that's a Maltese.
Oh wait, that's a Maltese, I'm sorry. This is a Shih Tzu and that's a Maltese.
The pretty bow in her hair.
All boys and girls have bows in their hairs when it comes to dog shows. Isn't that right, Miss?
Yes. All males and females have bows in their hair in certain breeds.
There's a Norwich Terrier.
What is it?
Back. A Norwich Terrier in the back.
What's it called again?
A Norwich Terrier.
Norwich. What's this one in the front?
I don't really know.
You want to ask?
Excuse me. But what kind of a dog is that?
That's a Chinese crested, but it's a powder puff.
Yep, powder puff Chinese crested.
Cool.
Wow, I didn't realize
It's a lot prettier than the bold ones. Don't you think?
that hairless variety.
Hairless variety.
You
Yes.
mean?
These are prettier, aren't they?
Yep.
I think so.
I don't know. These are probably Griffons.
Griffons?
You want to see him?
Yeah, you want to see them?
He probably liked it down.
What kind of dog is it?
Spinoni Italiano.
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
Put that up on the railing. He'll jump up there if you pat him.
Oh, good.
He's all like, wagging my tail.
Happy boy.
Look at you. Here we have some schnauzers right here. And I think that they're enjoying their groom.
What's this one's name?
Oh, her name's Ellie.
Ellie. Her name's Ellen. Ellen? Ellie.
Aww.
And soon we will be back with you at grooming.
What kind of dog is this, Al?
This is a West Highland White Terrier.
What is it?
A West Highland White Terrier. Say hi to the camera, puppy. Another Westie.
Westie?
Yep.
Anyway.
Sting. He's singing like Sting.
Yes, hello. Hello. Oh, hello.
What's he, Al?
dog is a Basenji.
Sanji, oh, you're so pretty.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you're a good boy.
appreciate-
You're a pretty boy.
Appreciate company, don't you?
That is a pretty dog.
That's an Alaskan Malamute, I think.
Say that again?
Alaskan Malamute. Anyway, let's move on.
Okay, let's go.
It looks like that lady's Italian. I do not know why. And we'll be back with you with some more dog shows.